Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I want to show you how I wash and clean my bitter leaves. Now this is the brand that I use. It's called Nina. You can use whatever brand you like or whatever brand is available to you. I left my leaves thawing out overnight, so that's why they're all soft and filled with water. So we're just going to put it into the pot, rinse it with some running water, strain that out, and then put some fresh water into it, and then we're going to put it on the stove to boil. I know that everyone has different ways that they wash their bitter leaves, but trust me, stick and see what I'm doing, and this will be the sweetest bitter leaf that you have ever made. Trust me, okay? So I like to boil my leaves twice. This is the first boil. After it's boiled, we're going to strain this out and then repeat, wash it again, put some more water and boil it twice. If you're following along after your second boil, I want you to taste your bitter leaf and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Once you're finished with your second boil, we're going to rinse the bitter leaves with some cool running water so it can be manageable. Then just take them by the handful and squeeze out as much of the water as you can. I did mine, I think, in like 3 balls. If you want to make 4 or 5, whatever, that's fine. Once you're finished doing this, get your food processor or your blender handy because we're going to use that next. So basically, this is how we want the bitter leaf to look. You want it to be small and chopped finely. And when they come out of the bag, this is the size that they are. I don't know if you could see, but they're basically like full-size leaves. So what we're going to do is take them in small amounts or small sections, put it into your food processor or your blender so that way they can get finely chopped up. Now I have a small food processor. I think my food processor is about a 3-cup capacity. If you have a larger one like a 7 or 8 cup, then of course go ahead and use more, but work accordingly with what you have. So that's it, guys. That's how I process my bitter leaves before I actually start cooking my dish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.